This is one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Shoot for the stars, but if you happen to miss, shoot for the moon instead. Mystery creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of man's desire to understand. Opportunities will be available to you that you cannot imagine. Research is creating new knowledge. In flying, the probability of survival is inversely proportional to the angle of arrival. Ever since I was a little boy, I dreamed I would do something important in aviation. In much of society, research means to investigate something you do not know or understand. I was elated, ecstatic, and extremely surprised that we were successful. Pilots take no special joy in walking, pilots like flying. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. The one thing I regret was that my work required an enormous amount of my time, and a lot of travel. If that's there, I believe that technology will probably step up to their part of it. A picture does a great job, but it's not nearly like being there. I guess we all like to be recognized not for one piece of fireworks but for the ledger of our daily work. I can honestly say, and it's a big surprise to me, that I have never had a dream about being on the moon. It never hurts to have friends around, so that's why you'd form a crew. I believe that every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine running around doing exercises. Man must understand his universe in order to understand his destiny. Opportunities will be available to you that you cannot imagine. There are places to go beyond belief. This blowing dust became increasingly thicker. It was very much like landing in a fast-moving ground fog. Gliders, sailplanes, they're wonderful flying machines. It's the closest you can come to being a bird. Geologists have a saying, rocks remember. I thought the attractions of being an astronaut were actually, not so much the moon, but flying in a completely new medium. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.